Hi, my name is Olivia and today we're cooking something really fun. We're going to be cooking a Philly cheesesteak with fries and an amazing creamy cheese sauce. So stay tuned and put your apron on. Let's get started. Step 1. Bake the fries. First, remove the steaks from the fridge 20 to 30 minutes prior to cooking. Also, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees with the fan. Slice the potatoes. You can keep the skin on and slice them into fries. Add the fries to a large baking tray with a drizzle of vegetable oil and a pinch of salt. Toss the fries in the oil until coated and roast in the oven for 30 minutes or until golden and crisp. Step 2. Prep the vegetables. Meanwhile, peel, halve and slice the onion. Deseed and finely slice the peppers. Step 3. Fry the steaks. Pat the rump steaks dry with a kitchen paper. Heat a large pan with a drizzle of vegetable oil over a high heat. Once hot, add the steaks and fry them for 1 to 3 minutes on each side or until cooked to your liking. Transfer the steaks to a plate and leave them to rest for 10 minutes. Step 4. Make the cheese sauce. In a pan, add the cream, salt, grated cheese, a pinch of cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Dijon mustard. Heat over a medium-low heat and simmer for 2 or 3 minutes or until the cheese has melted. Stir occasionally, keep warm. Step 5. Fry the vegetables. Return the steak pan on medium-high heat with another drizzle of vegetable oil. Once hot, add the onion and peppers and stir fry for 3 minutes. Slice the steak and serve. Meanwhile, season the rested steaks generously with salt and slice it as finely as possible. Serve the steak over the vegetables inside the hot dog buns. Give the cheese sauce a good stir and drizzle it over the steak. So I hope you're as excited as I am to dig into this dish. I absolutely cannot wait. Before I get started, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and I'll just try a fry on video.